Hi everyone, this is John Matthews with Adventure Awaits World Travel, your luxury all-inclusive resort experts. Today we're at Sandals Grande St. Lucian Resort to see a walkthrough of the one-bedroom Butler Suite, also known as the Love Nest Butler Suite. As you enter the unit, there's a bathroom in the hallway with a backlit vanity, some nice artwork on the wall, and a very large walk-in shower with a rain shower head. So great extra bathroom in the hallway for added privacy. There's additional storage with a big closet in the hallway for your tuxedos, wedding gowns, bathing suits, you name it. And this is a butler suite, so you get butler service. So they'll bring you food or beverages, whatever you desire. They're there to meet your every need. This is the other side of the living room. So you can see there's a nice table with chairs so you can have meals in your suite. It has a beverage station with a nice buffet and a little mini fridge and some extra storage. The mini fridges are fully stocked with champagne, wine, beer, whatever you desire. Just let your butler know and they'll bring it to you, and it's all included. Sandals resorts are all inclusives. They have a coffee maker so you can enjoy your Blue Mountain Jamaican coffee in the morning or any time of day. A sofa and love seat, beautiful furniture, and of course an entertainment center with a very large flat screen TV. In the master bathroom we have a large soaking tub, a double vanity, also backlit, and another very large walk-in shower, huge walk-in shower, with a rain shower head. In the master bedroom you have a desk and a huge king-size bed. You have another vanity with another flat screen TV, and when you go outside you have a double-sized deck off the back of your suite with a table and two chairs to enjoy your beverages on your deck, two lounge chairs, and a gorgeous view of the resort and the crystal clear azure blue Caribbean Sea. Contact us for your wonderful honeymoon, your amazing anniversary, or great Valentine's Day gift, and we'll help make your dreams come true. Thanks!